So here is another question on solving quadratic equations by completing the square method. So here the quadratic equation is given 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here there is a coefficient of x square here, which is 3. I think in the previous questions so far which we have solved, there is no coefficient, only x square. So we'll see how we'll solve it. So the approach will be the same. So first we'll write the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will multiply 3 on both sides. Okay, we'll multiply 3 on both sides. Multiplying 3 on both sides. We get 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. So why I have multiplied 3, you will see. Now what we'll do, we'll take this part, this plus 6 part to the other side, okay, and it will become minus 6. So that implies 9x square minus 15x is equal to minus 6. Okay. So now we have to convert this ax square minus bx, okay, that into ax minus b whole square form or a minus b whole square form, because there is minus here. So we'll see how we'll do that. So now 9x square, we can write it as 3x whole square. There is no problem in that. 9x square, we can represent it as 3x bracket whole square. That's why I multiplied 3 here, to bring it into a perfect square form. Okay, 3 square is equal to 9. That's why I multiplied 9, so that we can convert it into a perfect square. Now we have to write this 15x in 2ab format. So here a square, for a square, a is equal to 3x. Okay, here a is equal to 3x. Now 2ab, we have to find b such that 2ab will be equal to 15x. So 2 into 3x into b should be equal to 15x, because a is equal to 3x. That implies b is equal to 15x by 6x. 6 gets cancelled, so this is 5 cancelling it with 3, and this is 2, 5 by 2. So b is equal to 5 by 2. So here if we do 2 into 3x into 5 by 2, then it will be equal to 15x. So here 2 will get cancelled, 5 into 3x, 15x. So yes, that. Now this is a here, a square here, we have 2ab. Now we need plus b square, so to convert it into a minus b whole square form, so we have to add, sorry, let me change the ink. So we have to add plus 5 by 2 whole square. So as we have added plus 5 by 2 whole square on the left hand side, so we have to also add plus 5 by 2 whole square on this side also. Okay, now we have this a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we have a minus b whole square. Now that implies we can write it as 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 6 plus 25 by 4, which is equal to minus 24 plus 25, which is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, that implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. That implies 3x minus 5 by 2 is equal to root over of 1 by 4, which is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that implies 3x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, or 3x is equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, so that implies 3x is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2, or 3x is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So in this case we have to find the value of x. So that implies in this case x is equal to 2 by 3, or here x is equal to 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. So x can be equal to 1, or x can be equal to 2 by 3. These are the two possible values. Okay, so here the approach was same, but here what we did for our own, so that we can easily convert it into a perfect square form, we multiplied 3 on both sides. Now if you would have avoided that, then we would have to do root 3x whole square form that way, and it would have been root over things. Square root things can be a little bit complicated to handle and can unnecessarily lead to mistakes. So it's better to convert this ax square into perfect square form. Okay, so that will be a good thing, like 4x square, 16x square, 9x square, like that, 25x square, like that. If it would have been 5x, then we would have multiplied 5 to convert it into 25. 5 square is equal to 25, like that. So this is the approach. If it would have been 7x square, we would have multiplied 7, would have got 49x square. So 7x whole square, so like that. Okay, so this is the approach, and the remaining steps, it is the same. Taking this plus c to the other side, then converting this into a minus b whole square in this case, or a plus b whole square depending upon the sign of this 2ab thing, and then finding the value of b, then adding plus b square on both sides, and then simplifying it and solving it to get the value of x. Okay, so this is it.